Welcome to Cyber Simplified. Imagine trying to navigate a massive, growing city where every single house, grocery store, and skyscraper is built on one giant, chaotic road. There are no traffic lights, no highways, and every time someone backs out of their driveway, the entire city's traffic grinds to an absolute halt. In the early days of computer networking, networks were built in a similar way, called a flat topology. Every computer and printer just plugged into the same basic space. But as networks grew to include thousands of devices, this flat design created massive digital traffic jams and made it incredibly hard to stop bad data.
To fix this, engineers adopted a blueprint called the Hierarchical Network Design Model. This model breaks the network down into three distinct, manageable layers. This hierarchy ensures it stays fast, secure, and easy to fix. Let's explore how this works by looking at how a city organizes its roads. The first tier of our model is called the access layer. Think of the access layer as the local residential streets and personal driveways of our digital city. This is the very edge of the network, and it is the only place where end users actually connect their personal devices.
Whenever you plug your laptop into an office wall port or connect your phone to the company Wi-Fi, you are parking your device in the access layer. Because this layer connects directly to regular users, its main job is to act like a neighborhood watch, providing local access to the network. It performs basic security checks to make sure only authorized devices are allowed to get out onto the roads and travel further. Once your data leaves the local neighborhood, it enters the second tier of the network, which is called the distribution layer. If the access layer is your local street, the distribution layer is the main avenues, traffic lights, and major intersections of the city.
Users access remote resources and different parts of the company through this layer. It aggregates all the traffic coming out of the local access streets. The distribution layer decides exactly where data is allowed to go next. The devices here act like very strict traffic cops. They use routing policies and security filters to control the flow of data and stop massive broadcast traffic jams. These filters perfectly prevent unauthorized users from traveling to restricted areas of the network, keeping the company safe.
Finally, we reach the very center and backbone of the network infrastructure, the third tier, known as the core layer. You can think of the core layer as a massive, high-speed interstate highway connecting different parts of the country. Notice what a highway doesn't have. There are absolutely no stop signs, no traffic lights, and no residential driveways directly attached to it. The core layer's single, dedicated purpose is to move massive amounts of data across the network as fast as physically possible.
To keep speeds blazing fast and delays low, the core layer purposely avoids doing any complex security filtering or traffic routing. It leaves all of that heavy lifting to the distribution layer traffic cops, focusing only on speed and extreme reliability. By using this modular three-tier approach, engineers ensure that if one local street gets blocked, the rest of the city's traffic keeps moving smoothly. It makes the network highly scalable, easy to upgrade, and incredibly simple to troubleshoot when something breaks.
So, the next time you send an email at work, remember your data's amazing journey from the local driveway to the high-speed highway. Thanks for watching Cyber Simplified, and please make sure to subscribe to stay secure and informed.